If someone doesn't stop touching you when you ask them to, I'm going to tell you what you need to do. Okay, who does your body belong to?
Yourself.
Yeah. If someone touches you in a way that's not okay with you, what are you going to do?
Pull away.
Yes, pull away and speak up, right?
Yeah.
If they don't stop, I'm going to show you what to do. Albert, come on up and help me. Great. Okay, Albert, your body belongs to you, right?
Yeah.
Terrific. If someone's touching you and you don't want them to, what are you going to say and do first?
Please don't.
Good. But if they don't stop, I want you to say, I'm going to tell if you don't stop, or I'm going to tell. Okay, so let's see. I didn't stop hugging you. What are you going to say this time? Good. A little louder, though. Like you mean it.
Tell.
Good. Okay, is that tattling?
Yeah.
No. Tattling is when you tell on another kid your age or your brothers and sisters because you're trying to get them in trouble. If you say, I'm going to tell because someone's doing something to you that they shouldn't do, that's not tattling. Okay, good. Thank you. All right, Joey, you want to help me? Great, Joey. Okay, what if you have a friend of your parents and every time you go over to that person's house, they poke you? Do you know grown-ups who like poking little kids?
Yeah.
They just kind of like to tease you a little bit. Is that okay with you?
No.
No. So if it's not okay with you, what are you going to say and do, Joey?
Please don't do that.
Okay, please don't do that. But did he move?
No.
No. So let's try it again.
Please don't do that.
Good. And what about if I say, well, you're just a kid. I can do anything I want to do, and I do it again. So I didn't listen, did I?
Please
No.
don't do that. I'm going to tell.
Good. He said, don't do that or I'm going to tell. I say to him, Joey, I'm really sorry. Please don't tell anybody, okay? And I'll take you to the movies and we'll have some ice cream and stuff, okay? Does anybody know what I just tried to do? Yeah, make him not tell by trying to bribe him. That's the word. If somebody tries to get you not to tell by offering you cake or ice cream or treats or special things, that's called bribery. And I want you to say, what?
No.
No, exactly right. Good. Thank you, Joey. Michael, come on up here. Okay, Michael, who does your body belong to?
Myself.
Okay. If you know someone who always picks you up, okay, maybe it's somebody that your family's known for a really long time and they remember when you were littler. When you were little, did you like for people to pick you up and throw you over their heads?
No. Yeah.
Okay, Albert liked that. So if you don't like that anymore because you're older, what would you say?
Please don't do that.
Okay, and if the next time I came over I did it again, what would you say and do?
I'm going to tell.
Okay, and watch what happens. What if I say, well, this is my house. If you don't like it, you just can't come over to the house anymore. Is that okay?
No.
You know what the word for that is? This is a really big word. The word is intimidation. Isn't that a big word?
No.
But what intimidation means is that somebody tries to make you do what they want you to do without kind of admitting that that's what they were trying. They're trying to control you. So I'm trying to make him do what I want him to do by saying he can't come over to my house anymore, aren't I? Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, thanks, Michael. Let's see, RJ, come on up here. Okay, RJ, your body belongs to you, right? Great. What if you have a sitter who comes over to the house and when she helps you kind of get ready for bed and stuff, she starts touching you all over. Is that okay with you? If that happened to you, what would you say and do?
Please don't do that.
Okay, but it kept happening. What would you say and do next?
I'm going to tell.
Okay, now watch what happens. The sitter says, if you tell, I'm going to tell your mom and dad that you were bad. Is that intimidation?
Yes.
Yes. And who do you think your mom and dad are going to believe? You or the babysitter?
You.
Think they'll believe you?
Yeah.
Good. Are you going to tell them?
Yeah.
When are you going to tell them?
When they get home.
When they get home, or if you're asleep, when would you tell them?
In the morning.
Would you do that, RJ? Good for you. Fabulous. Thank you. Okay, Robert, you want to help me? Okay. Robert, what about if someone does something to you and when you say, I'm going to tell, that person says, Robert, if you tell I'm going to do something to you or somebody you care about, anybody know what that's called?
Intimidation.
Intimidation, and it's a threat. Did I threaten him?
Yes.
Yeah. So, everybody listen carefully because this is really important. When someone threatens you, that's not a problem that you can take care of by yourself. So no matter how scared you are or no matter how worried you might be, you have to tell someone who can help you. Okay? So if I threaten you like that, are you going to tell someone? Who are you going to tell?
Mom or Dad?
Good, your mom or your dad. All right? Now, if this happened with someone that you really, really liked a lot, do you think you might want to keep the secret so they'd keep being your friend?
No.
If you felt that way, that's okay, but you still want to tell anyway, okay? Because if you don't tell, can anybody help you?
No.
No, they can't. Very good, all right. The examples we used today were a lot harder, but things like this happen to kids every day. It's not your fault if it happens to you, and you shouldn't be afraid to speak up. At the same time, it takes practice to speak up for yourself. So I'd like to see how well you can do this with your teacher.